This year, Tread Lightly turns 35. That's 35 years of protecting access, working with land managers, and 35 years of making sure people like you can experience what's out there. Across the country, that work shows up in real ways. Miles of improved trails, places restored, and communities brought together around something bigger than themselves. Protecting access takes a lot of different approaches. Some efforts focus on restoring access after it's been challenged, and that work matters. Yet our role is different. At Tread Lightly, we focus on what happens before that point. It's like maintaining your rig. You take care of it early, so it keeps taking you where you want to go. Because when you protect your rig, you protect what moves you. That is how we approach the trail system. We are out there early, working alongside land managers, raising funds, mobilizing volunteers, and doing the work that keeps trails open in the first place. It's not always the most visible work, but it is what makes long-term access possible. Right now, more people are entering the space than ever before. That brings opportunity and it brings responsibility. Our focus is to strengthen what we're doing today and grow to meet the needs of what's coming next. To do that, we're launching a national campaign.
Protect what moves you.
To strengthen and scale this work across the country. As state and federal resources tighten, more responsibility is shifting to organizations like ours and to this community. These funds support the full system behind the work: education, signage, training, coordinating with land managers, everything that allows us to show up, lead, and keep access open at a national level. And as we grow, our vision is clear: to expand our presence and build a national network of program managers across our country so we can meet the demand where it is and lead at the scale this moment requires. This is where you come in. This is all about being part of a group that keeps access strong and moving forward. If you're new to off-roading, become a Tread Lightly member and start the right way and be part of what keeps trails open. If you've been part of this community for years, step up, support the work, and protect access. Your leadership matters right now more than ever. And if you're a business or brand built around this lifestyle, partner with us. Help us lead at the level this moment requires. And if you believe in protecting access, make a tax-deductible donation and help keep this work moving forward. Be part of what it takes to protect what moves you. Support this work that protects access. Become a Tread Lightly member, partner, or donor, and protect what moves you.